quiet cul-de-sac location that has hosted just over 25 properties, creating a real sense of community for anyone who values connection with their neighbours. Here, next to me, stands a home that was once built in the 80s, now having a complete makeover to suit modern family demands. I'm Trent Vivian and welcoming you to 12B Elbury Court, Kingsley. From the moment you walk through the wide entry front door, the sense of space and elegance will grab you straight away. I love the vaulted ceilings and the northern light behind me, but make no mistake, this area was not always like this. Master bedroom is at the front of the home and has been fully converted to equip a large ensuite bathroom, fully tiled to the ceiling, and the room has great inbuilt storage. The main living area is right next to your dining, which is also in sight to the kitchen, also fully renovated with stone bench tops, plenty of storage, a large oven with gas cooking, and an integrated dishwasher. Moving towards the rear of the home, there is a second living area that flows outside, but first, there are two minor bedrooms, both are great size, and a fully renovated bathroom that continues the elegance of the home. There is also a separate laundry with direct access outside and a separate toilet. And here, outside, is where the fun starts. If you love your pets, then there's a fantastic alfresco area, which is great for entertaining your guests, but also a great amount of outdoor space in case the kids also need somewhere to play. I look forward to showing you through shortly.